Preparing for exams is not just live classes and videos. Every preparation needs practice. To help you with this, Oliveboard brings you live practice sessions where you will attempt exam-level questions with the same time limits you will have in exams along with your peers. Log in to the Oliveboard app or the Oliveboard site with your registered email ID and password. If you are a new user, just sign up with your email. Once you are logged into the app, you will see a banner. Tap to go to the course page. Once you are in the course page, you will see all the sessions scheduled for that day. Find the live practice session and then click Join Now. You will see the schedule of all the upcoming live practice sessions. Clicking Join Now again will take you directly to the session. Here you will see the question and the answer options for you to attempt. To answer the question, simply choose the right option given. This will record your attempt as well as your score. Once you attempt the question, you will not be able to change your answer, so choose your answers very carefully. Once the attempt time is over, you will see the correct answer and some stats around how many got the question right. You will also see the explanation. The video of the faculty will automatically pop up at this time. However, at any time during the session, click the video icon to see the live video and click it again to minimize the video. Throughout the session, you can also chat with others as well as the faculty through the group chat feature. Another feature of the live practice session is the leaderboard. You will see everyone's scores and where you stand among other aspirants. If you're using Oliveboard on your desktop or laptop, go to the Learn section and then click Live Class to go to the course page. If you're participating in the live practice sessions using laptop or the desktop, all these features will be available in the same screen. After the solution time is over, everyone together will move on to the next question and the cycle repeats. Remember, if you miss this session, there will be no recordings or other material available, so be sure to join each session. See you at live practice.